DD Audio is proud to present the next generation of D-Series amplifiers. With features like single-sided control and connection panels, ultra-compact remote sub-control knobs, and over a 40% footprint reduction across the series, the new D-Series are designed to be the best amps on the market for the everyday mobile audio enthusiast. Internally, the new D-Series feature conformal-coated PCBs, sealed crossover switches, and jumpers used in place of failure-prone slide switches, making them the ideal choice for boat, bike, and ATV applications. Installers will certainly enjoy quality of life improvements such as full bandpass crossovers, LED clipping indicators, high-level input capabilities, and auto turn-on options. Even though the chassis on the new D-Series amps are very compact for their power classes, they still employ set-screw power and speaker terminals, discrete output sections, and heavy-duty anodized aluminum heat sinks, ensuring proper power management, in-use stability, and long-term durability. Head over to ddaudio.com/dealers to find a dealer near you today.